Yeah, tomorrow we have a fluvial parade and a baroto race or a boat race tomorrow. So my three of my brothers was going to join to the competition. And right now they're trying to prep their boat to do the condition for the event tomorrow. So yeah, that's what so many people here right now that hanging on the beach. So this is my brother boat, Moy Moy. So this one is belong to Marvin. Today he was only doing the half day, and because he want to condition his boat and he do the repaint. Seems like pretty good though. It looks really new. Yeah, Moy Moy. Moy Moy it is his son, and that one is James Loyomel, one of my brother's son as well. So yeah, it's the one boat. Your boat look old. You need to paint that one. So this one is belong to the twin father, you know, Marlon. So that's why the name on this is Dos Marias. Dos Marias, it's like a Spanish language, you know, Dos Marias. Yeah, so the fluvial or the baroto race is gonna be held here nearby. So it's gonna be there as you see it. There's a flag over there, and yeah, it is the one that's gonna be held there. So seems like all the people, you know, like all the community here, seems like they're pretty excited for the event tomorrow. So this is it. So the event was already started. So it's gonna be our first day for our opening event here in Barangay. So they have a 3 category of the boat competition for today. Hindi.
Ikaw?
Mapared giti mo kara?
Hindi gato eh, pared gani ka mo.
Hi, Chiche! Ay. Chiche, where's tatay? Huh? So, that's one of my brother, Marvin. And so this is one of the resort over here that they held the event. Color boat.
Naman ninyo nga sa banwa nga tunda na nga
ito listahan kay Fil Am dito na no? Tayo coordinate na apat.
brother gonna be joined there. Do you think you're gonna get that? Good luck. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The second. Low, you never get the first prize. Only the second. Second winner. That's the twin father.
Promote mo akong vlog, Mr. King Crab.
Ang ano?
Mr. King Crab.
Ama dyan ka vlog ha? Three, go! Go! Woo! That's Marvin there in the middle. And Ramel. Winner. That's supposed to be, it's one of my brother Marvin, because you know he missed the turn there. Marvin missed the turn, so Ramel take it over the first place. My goodness. See, Marvin hung over there to the net. Kap, naka-first ka pa, Kap.
Wati bahar sa liko. Hindi mo bahar yung maliko ka.
Casa. Oh my God, it is so freaking hot. But it's worth it. It's a lot of fun. It's okay. I'm here. I'm the substitute blogger. So anyway, yeah. So I think it's time to chill and drink some cold water.
Good morning, everybody. It's early in the morning. It's about 5 a.m. It's already turning daylight out. Look at that. And having a little cup of coffee, walking out here to the beach. Beautiful, beautiful little morning. Mike and Janet from Mike's Philippine Retirement, they're here with us. It's their second day being here, second night they've spent the night. And I toured him around Iloilo City yesterday and showed him some of the main points, not all the points, but a few of them. And they got up early this morning, really early, and got on their motorcycle to head up and shoot video around some of those locations and all. And I guess they probably didn't know I was already up too. I heard when they opened the garage door to get the bike out. Look at this. Look at this. Today's gonna be a very big day for us here because it's Fiesta Day, and we're gonna have lots of guests. Fiesta in our barangay. Yeah, Fiesta in our barangay, and we're gonna have lots of guests today. Lots of guests next door over at Melinda's family. It's just gonna be a very, very busy day, and poor Melinda, man, she has just worked her little butt off preparing, and I think she thought she's gonna have a little bit more help than she actually did, so bless her heart, man. It's a beautiful morning here. I'm enjoying my coffee and watch the sunrise over my shoulder right here. Just want to wish you all a great day, and I'm looking forward to seeing all my friends today that are going to be coming, and some subscribers will be coming. And Mike and Janet are going to go shoot their video early this morning. They're going to be back here for Fiesta, and it just sounds like nothing but the makings for a great day. So wish wherever you're at, you have a great day too. I'm going to enjoy this cup of coffee and talk to you guys here in just a little while.
Good morning, everyone. So this is it. This is the busy day, the highlights. So today it's our Fiesta Day, and of course we have a lot of stuff to prepare, and we've been already wake up since 4 a.m. this morning. So because of course, besides being excited, of course you have a responsibility to do things, you know, a lot of preparation, especially cooking. And at the moment, I don't have any cook yet, but I'm not sure if he's gonna come. But if he's not gonna come, I'm gonna do it myself. For at this moment, Juan was with me, and she's my right help right now. And I hired 2 person to help me also today, to like even clean the dishes or cleaning some stuff, because there's a lot of people that are gonna come, you know, my Zumba friend, our expat couple friends and families. So anyway, happy Fiesta, Barangay Namocon. So we're preparing right now to cook the estupado. The estupado is like a caramelized sugar that you're gonna add to the pork, and of course you're gonna add banana, saba banana. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry the banana first and some of the pork, and then after that you're gonna cook for a long while, you know, to tender the pork. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna cook the estupado first, the first menu that we need to cook, because after that there's a following more menu that we need to cook as well, so more preparation. So this one is we're gonna cook this one as a menudo or whatever, sarchado, apretada. It's just the same line, you know, for if you're gonna cook like that. Like of course it is including with this sauce, you know, tomato sauce, sarchado, apretada, menudo. It's just it is. So we also have fish here. So this is the lapu-lapu that I already been bought 1 week ago, that I was put inside the freezer. So anyway, it's I'm going to make this one like sweet and sour fish. And I have some white fish here, the transparent fish that I'm going to make a kinilaw. Yes, kinilaw. And I have a lot of friends that requesting on this. Of course, some of them, they are not really eat a lot of pork. So I alternate with this fish as well. So it is the way that we chop the pork sitting. So this is the kinilaw. So right now we soaking it into the vinegar.
Maybe, ikaw to. Pork.
Oh,
Lago na dyan, kaya sa diyo.
our cook is supposed to be smack and he never show up. I think he is hangover.
Hangover.
And my husband is lazy. Now he was busy doing some other stuff as well. So glad that my cousin was here. So it's already 10:30 or almost 11 o'clock and we are still here in the kitchen. We're still cooking and preparing. Spring roll or lumpia.
Ay, ang ato niya sumay.
So if you're looking for the fruit cutter, just contact her. What is your contact number?
00000.
We always have a joke.
Email at 00000@gmail.com.
And of course, the boys was just only there gossiping, while the wife was here working hard. Ho ho ho. Wives all busy and the boys are just there waiting.
Not supposed to be bringing any drinks or food.
Paumpisa na, Mel?
Hey, baby. Oh, you stole my skin. That's what I was waiting for. Put me a piece of that skin on there, bro. See, now you got room to work. Y'all better get over there and get what you can. There ain't no snoozing back around here. You will be without back. I saw you lick your lips in a second, man.
Ay, sorry de.
Oh my God! What is that? Oh my God!
water.